Hey guys! Today we are going to be making homemade pizza dough from scratch with whole wheat flour. And my family personally prefers to blend whole wheat flour with all-purpose flour when we make our pizza, but you can use all whole wheat flour if you would like, or none, it's up to you. But we prefer the blend because it makes it a little bit more fluffy. When we have tried to use all whole wheat flour, it ends up a lot more dense than the blend. So that's just why we do it this way. The girls love this pizza and actually will request it. So sometimes we make 2 medium pizzas, sometimes we just cover a whole sheet pan, and sometimes we will actually have them make like smaller, like heart-shaped pizzas, which actually I think Kaylee requests for that in the video too, even though it's already in the oven. We actually haven't had pizza out at all this whole year, which is crazy. We haven't had takeout or from the freezer ever since this year that I have been experimenting with this recipe. So here's my version on it.
Pretty yummy, and cheese.
Where did the cheese go?
It melted.
Yeah, it's on the pizza.
It's salad. We can decorate it.
Decorate the pizza?
Yeah, that's like yours and Dada's.
Yeah.
And this is our turn. Let's make it into a hot. I want mine in a hot.
Well, that's yours in the oven right now. I hope you guys enjoy and try it out for yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.